All right, you guys. Oh my goodness. I was trying to hit the record button before it hit target, but target got smashed already on this trade. So let me show you two trades that I took this morning. You can see it broke out of the channel right here. Let's go to a different time frame. See if that'll help show you guys what happened. Well, that was on the 1 minute. So let's just stick on the 1 minute for this one. Super scalping. So on the 1 minute, it broke outside the channel. Here was the entry. You put your stop loss right there, and you see it smashed the TP. And it did the same thing on this one here. This is the 1 minute time frame. Again, you can use this on any time frame of your choosing, but this is if you want to be a super scalper, then this is a good way to do it. So again, entry was right here. Take profit got smashed. Simple as that. So this is why it's the parallel universe, because you got parallel channels telling you when the trend is going in this way, but then when it breaks out, it'll give you, as soon as the candle closes, we get a closed candle, it'll give you the setup, you enter, stop loss, there you go. The biggest thing is to watch this right here. This is what you want to pay attention to before you take any trades, because this is telling you exactly where the market money is flowing. So that's why it makes it pretty easy. Now for this one here, this one was kind of shaky. As you can see, it was chop, chop, chop. Why? Because it's telling you chop, chop, chop. But overall, it was still saying it was a bullish signal. So that's the reason why I took this little bullish trade right here. But I did go lighter on my position on this one because of it being a chop chopper. Okay, so when you get a chop chopper, you can either avoid it or you can just go lighter on the position. But yeah, I couldn't even hit the record button. As soon as I hit the record button, boom, you see the spike candle, and now it's pulling back. And same thing here. So this is a really powerful trading system. One of the best ever. One of the absolute best. Very easy to understand, very user friendly. You can see a news candle came out right here, so it was going up in profit. Some news, whatever it calls it, to wick, but your stop was down here anyway, so it was no risk to you. And then after that, it popped up and smashed the TP. So, all right, I'll see you guys in the next video.